When we look at Active Directory services, they are considered at oath. What does that mean? It means it's one direction. When we go to Directory Services, and we've created a directory, something new, right? And we're using, say, Azure Microsoft Graph, which is the current Azure Entra directory services from Microsoft. We've created it, now it's been connected, and it's here. Azure Directory Tenant ID, we've named it so we can reference it as part of a group that is being managed by Insider. We show that it's connected appropriately. Once selected, we have groups within those. Fetch groups. Here are each individual groups. If an end user name is in any of these groups here that repeats, it cannot be deleted from our service. Upon synchronization of the Azure directory, it will continue to maintain presence in that group. When these groups are populated into the Groups and User section, New Media, Insider Software, and Production Group 1, they will list all of these names. If you want to create groups that are outside of the Active Directory group itself, you can. Here are the 3 groups that are Active Directory. Within those groups, there are users. Here are the users within these groups. Now, because of the way our database works, in our server, it allows you to add users into an Active Directory that are manually created. And here's some Active Directory users. Now, if you want to create groups with Active Directory users so that the users aren't in certain groups, you would do that. Let's say we have a group called, well, let's just create a new group. New group. AD and man. Okay, let's save it. Let's see, where is it hiding? Let's refresh real quick. There we go. Now, I want to add users to that group, so let's go ahead and add users. As you can see, I have manually created users and users from the Active Directory service. So since I pulled that all in, it's all available to be added to a specific group. If I do not want users from my AD accounts to be distributed, I can create a new group and then add AD users and manual users to that group, like this. And now I have AD users and manual users. I can expire them from, again, being used as a registered user on the server. I can also add sets to them. Let's just say that's set there. And now they will share this font. And that's how you can create a group with both Active Directory and manual users. Please keep in mind that any group that you bring in through Active Directory, such here, if I fetch groups, these groups will present themselves automatically in the group tab. If you have the same users in each one of these groups, that's fine. That's okay. If you don't want users in certain groups, you can build groups outside of these Active Directories using these users. I hope that clarifies things.